Alright fellas, ready to shed some pounds and feel fantastic? You've come to the right place. I'm Joe Wicks, and I'm here to help you smash your fat loss goals. No fancy diets or weird foods here. Just simple, tasty grub that'll have you feeling full and looking lean. We're talking real food for real men who want real results. Sound good? Let's dive in. First things first, losing fat doesn't mean starving yourself. Nope, not on my watch. We're going to eat well and often. The key is choosing the right foods. Foods that fuel your body and keep you satisfied. Foods that help you burn fat while you're munching away. Let's make fat loss fun and tasty.
Alright lads, let's talk about why what you eat matters so much. Your body is like a car. Put in the wrong fuel and it'll sputter and stall. But fill it with premium stuff and it'll run like a dream. That's what we're aiming for here. We want your body to be a fat-burning machine. And the right foods are the key to revving up that engine. Now, here's the cool bit. Certain foods actually help you burn fat. Yeah, you heard that right. While you're munching away, these foods are working hard to melt that fat. How? Well, they boost your metabolism. That's the process where your body turns food into energy. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories, even when you're just sitting around. Pretty neat, eh? Protein is your new best mate in this fat loss journey. It helps build lean muscle, and guess what? Muscle burns more calories than fat, even when you're not moving.
Let's get to the good stuff, what you'll be eating. For breakfast, how about a protein-packed smoothie? Chuck in some spinach, banana, protein powder, and almond milk. Blend it up and you've got a tasty start to your day. Or try my lean mean scramble, eggs with spinach and tomatoes on whole grain toast. Yum! These breakfasts will keep you full and fire up your metabolism. For lunch, we're keeping it simple and satisfying. How about a chicken and avocado wrap? Use a whole grain wrap, pile on the grilled chicken, add some avo, lettuce and tomato. Delicious and nutritious. Another great option is a tuna salad. Mix tuna with a bit of Greek yogurt instead of mayo, toss in some chopped celery and red onion, and serve it on a bed of leafy greens. These lunches are packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you going. Dinner time, let's make it exciting. Try my lean turkey burgers.
Section 4. Ditch these diet destroyers. Now lads, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but there are some foods we need to say goodbye to. Don't worry, it's not forever. But if you want to see real results, these diet destroyers have got to go. First up, sugary drinks. That includes fizzy drinks, energy drinks, and even those fancy coffees loaded with syrup. They're just empty calories that spike your blood sugar and make you crave more sugar. Stick to water, green tea, or black coffee instead. Next on the chopping block, processed junk food. I'm talking about crisps, biscuits, and those tempting takeaways. These foods are usually high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt. They don't fill you up, and they certainly don't help with fat loss. Instead of reaching for a bag of crisps, try some air-popped popcorn or a piece of fruit. Your body will thank you.
All right, lads, we've talked a lot about food, but let's not forget about moving that body. Exercise is a crucial part of any fat loss plan. Now don't panic. I'm not saying you need to become a gym rat. Even small changes can make a big difference. The key is to find something you enjoy. That way you'll stick with it. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is my go-to for fat loss. It's quick, effective, and you can do it anywhere. Try this: 30 seconds of burpees, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Repeat with different exercises like mountain climbers, squats, or push-ups. Do this for 15 to 20 minutes, and you're done. HIIT keeps your metabolism fired up long after you've finished exercising.
Like and subscribe for more content to keep you healthy.